Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got another unboxing for you. This literally arrived a couple of days ago and I'm pretty sure I know what's in it, but I'm not 100% sure, so let's get straight into it and find out what we have. Oh, we've got a box inside here. It looks like it's really nicely packaged. I'm just getting the knife out now and we'll work out the best way to get in here. Let's have a look. Really nicely packaged. I never like to complain about items when they're too well packaged, because I'd rather them be over protected than under protected. But at the same time, when you're doing unboxing videos and things like that, it does make it very difficult, because obviously I'm working around the camera at the same time as trying to unpackage this, and obviously you want them to go as smooth as possible when you're opening them so it looks better on camera. So I'm not going to complain about the packaging of this, but it doesn't make it very easy when you're making content. Here we go. So what do we have here? Oh, this is cool. So these must be the 1 ounce silver bars, and they've actually chucked in a couple of capsules as well, which I did not expect. So I didn't pay anything extra for the capsules, so that's really cool. Look at that, how nicely packaged is that? They've even put one of those gel things in that keeps the moisture out. Wow, really impressed with that. This is actually from someone on eBay, and I will actually share their details. Look at that, so they've got their own kind of sticker. So there you go, you've got someone there you can email if you're interested in seeing what other items they've got in stock. But yeah, this was from someone on eBay, and as you can tell, they specialise in precious metals. And they've gone above and beyond here, because I didn't pay any extra for the capsules. They didn't even say that they came with capsules, but these are brand new 1 ounce silver bar capsules. So I'll actually keep those, because I'm not planning to put them in capsules anyway, but that's always good to have. And also these are really handy to have when you're storing things away in your deep stack. It's always good to put a few of these inside. It just keeps the moisture away from the coins, so that's really cool as well. Right, let's get straight into them. Individually packaged, which is really nice to see. Let's take the autofocus off on there. There we go. Wow, look at this. In a little pouch. Wow, this person has really gone above and beyond. Look at that, a zip pouch. This has got to be the best way I've ever purchased precious metals before. Wow, that is really cool. So this is actually a vintage bar. You can see it says on there 1979 Canada Goose. Really nice looking silver bar. It's got a serial number. It's going to focus. Got a serial number on there, and it also says Madison Mint. So a really cool vintage bar. And I'm actually going to pop it out of this protective film, and that is because I want to add it to my new 1 ounce silver bar holder that I picked up the other day. Wow, really nice. Nice vintage silver. Look at that, what a gorgeous piece. Absolutely gorgeous. Really like the design on that as well. And like I said, I'm going to add that to my new 1 ounce silver bar holder there. I'm trying to get that filled up. It holds 20 bars. I think we've got another 4 spaces now. But look at that packaging. Its own little pouch. How cool is that? Really like that. I'm actually going to keep this in there, so that if ever I sell some silver, I can do the same thing. Wow, really cool. What a great thing. And it also came in its own bubble wrap as well. Really like that. And this one, you can see already they've done the same thing. they've actually put this one in its own little pouch as well. What a great touch, eh? What a great service. Its own little pouch. These are so cool as well. Look at these. I love how it's got the double protection. It's got, not only has it got the pop-off thing there, it's also got zip, so it's not going anywhere. And again, they've put it in its own plastic pouch as well. And you can see this is another 1 ounce silver bar. This one looks a little bit longer and thinner than the other ones. This might not actually fit in my display case, but let's have a look. Look at that, I really like the bird on there. That looks really cool. And again, it's got a kind of vintage board around it, so that's really nice. Wow, yeah, this is a lot thinner, but it does feel a little bit thicker as well. That's interesting. A really nice, interesting looking bar. Look at that. And again, this was obviously from the same person on eBay. It's got a few scratches there, but I paid quite a nice price for these considering they're unique looking pieces. Hopefully it's still going to fit in there. Is it going to fit in there? No, so it doesn't actually fit in there because it's actually a different shape. So that's a shame, but that does mean that this can go on my display at the back. And all it means is I get to purchase some more 1 ounce silver bars to try and fill that up. So we're going to take one of these down. We're going to shuffle that along there. And then we're going to pop that on there. Look at that. That looks amazing. Wow, really interesting shape, that one. Right, so there we go. 2 more ounces of silver added to the stack in forms of vintage 1 ounce bars. They contain a little bit more of a premium than your regular 1 ounce bars, and that is because they're older, more collectible pieces. But look at these. I didn't pay a crazy premium. It's not like I expected capsules chucked in and all the rest of it. I would have rather they didn't send these and the 2 capsules and knock a little bit of the price off the bar. But like I said, it wasn't crazy inflated prices anyway. So yeah, really cool. What a great touch. I'm gonna put this plastic in here just so I've got it in there then, so when I send something to someone else I can reuse these. But yeah, really cool. Let me know what you think about my latest pickups. Hope you enjoyed that unboxing. It made it a little bit more fun having them in kind of parcel form. As always, thanks very much for watching my videos. Thanks very much for all the support, and I hope you have a very nice day.